In this session, I will tell you how service model plays an important role in software applications. After watching this video, you will be able to understand how service models help us in testing. So don't miss this video out and watch it till the end. Application service model defines how the application is treated during its development and testing. Application can be developed in any of the following types based on its service model. They are as follows. In that, first one is product, second one is project, third one is enhancement, fourth one is customization of COTS, and fifth one is re-engineering. So, let's discuss it in details one by one.
So, the first service model is product. Application which is called as product when it offers some standard set of functionalities for different customers. Means product is what? It provides or it offers some standard set of functionalities for the different customers. Means there is an application who are for the different customers. Okay. So for making this product, there are some key points to develop, in which the first point is gathering of requirement through the market survey. Means first of all, we are gathering requirement through the market. Second, requirement analysis by domain expert. Who? Domain expert. Okay. By using these 2 points, we are developing a configurable product. Means we are developing a product by using this market survey and analysis of the requirement. And in fourth point, we are releasing of evaluation copies for user acceptance, right? And new release or new version for upgradation. We can take an example is Tally, SAP, etc. Okay. Second service model is project. Project is nothing but when an application is developed for a single customers. When it developed for single customer based on his specific need, that development activity we called it as a project. Okay, that development activity we called it as a project. Means project is an application is developed for the single customer based on his specific need. That development activity treated as a project. That development activity we called it as a project. Okay. Now there are again some key points used for implementing the project. So in that again it includes collection of customer needs, right? In product we are gathering requirement, but in project we are collecting the customer needs. Then we are analyzing the requirements. On the basis of the collection of customer needs, we are analyzing all those requirements. Then in third, we are developing the application as per user needs, means as per customer need. Okay? Then releasing the same to intended user for acceptance. In fourth, we are releasing the project, means project is nothing but a application which is only for the single customer. Okay, then it is only implementing on the basis of collection of customer need. Okay, then we take one example, that is developing banking application for specific bank. Right? Banking application for specific bank means there is a lot many banks who wants their own banking application. In banking there is HDFC Bank, then ICICI Bank, then SBI Bank, who having the specific banking application of their own. That application we called it as a project service model. Okay. Third service model is enhancements. In this service model, an existing application is enhanced to add more features. Means this service model is we are using when there is an existing model and we have to add some more features in it. This includes addition of new features in used application. Right? So the purpose, what is the main purpose of this enhancement service model is only to fulfill the customer needs. Means it is used only for to fulfill the customer needs. Again we are taking the same example, that is adding mobile access feature in banking websites. Right? So enhancement is the service model we are using when there is an already existing application in which we are adding some more features in that. Okay, so this is a enhancement service model. Fourth service model is customization of COTS. This is the specialized form of project where instead of developing totally new application, we are taking a product that is satisfying most of the business requirement is purchased, and then changes are made on the basis of specific needs. Means in this customization of COTS, we are taking a product that satisfying most of the business requirements which is purchased, and the changes are made as per the specific needs that we considered as a customization of COTS. COTS means it mainly focuses on the commercial of the shelf product, means COTS to fulfill the customer specific needs. Okay, means in this type of service model we are making the project but with the help of product. We are not making we are not making totally new, but with the help of product we are doing some changes as per the specific need. That is the commercial of the shelf product, means we are saving the time as well as money of the customer. For example, customization of SAP reports for a specific client, means we are customizing a SAP report for the individual clients as per the requirement. So this is all comes under the customization of COTS. So okay, the fifth service model is re-engineering. In this service model, re-engineering includes the conversion of existing legacy application. Re-engineering includes conversion of existing legacy application to new application which is providing additional functionality by using latest technology that we considered inside re-engineering. Means re-engineering service model is doing the conversion in existing model by using latest technologies and add some additional functionalities. Okay, so the example is converting old mainframe based application into web based form. Okay, so this is the example we'll consider inside the re-engineering. What re-engineering service model is exactly do? It does the conversion in existing legacy application with the additional functionality by using latest technology, it making new application. Okay, so the mainframe based application is converting into the web based form that we considered as a re-engineering service model. Okay,
so the conclusion of topic is application service model drives the testing strategy in terms of focuses area of testing, what to test and how to test. So I hope you understand today's discussion. Keep watching my video. Thank you friends.